Hi guys, yeah, today I want to talk about how search engine works, right? So if you Google something on search engines or on Google, then you see a page or the results being in position 1 or 2 or up to 10. I want to talk about that process as to how it has happened, right? So the first thing that Google does, especially when you launch a new website, so what they do is they send crawlers, right? So Google crawlers, some call it spiders, some call crawlers. I call it crawlers. So what it does is those crawlers use other links to reach your website, right? And then what it does is they go onto your website, and then they go onto your sitemap. Then the sitemap will tell them how many pages are there, right? And then it moves on to robots.txt file. Then robots.txt file simply tells Google crawlers that these are the pages that you shouldn't crawl, right? And then it moves on to the pages on the site, right? So when it moves on to the pages on the site, what it does is, because now it crawls all the pages, once it's done with that, it goes back to now saying indexing them. So in indexing them, that it like break down all the content on the website and then save content. That's why it tried to make sense as to what the page is about. That is why building content on the website is important, and also using the likes of schema markups, adding H1s, sprinkling your content with the keyword that you are pursuing, and making sure that the page is faster. So that helps you, those crawlers, when they visit the site, to understand what the web page is about. And then that your website is being placed on the servers, so that when somebody searches for something that is related to what your web page is about, then Google can try and make sense of all the content that it has on its servers and then show it to the person, right? So sometimes it uses what they call it a Google pigeon, which is about the distance of the searcher and the services that you are offering. So it prioritizes people that are not far from the searcher, and then that's why it's advisable to focus, especially if it's a small business, focus on local SEO, where you optimize for the area that you're in, so that you know that when somebody is searching for that specific keywords and is in the area, then it can prioritize you, right? That's that. So yeah, so that's a simple way of explaining how search engine works and how it can benefit you as a business owner or as a website owner. Thank you very much.